Artificial intelligence. It's not just some buzzword anymore, boys. It's here, it's real, and it's evolving faster than you can say algorithm. By 2025, forget about changing the game. AI will be the game. We're talking industries transformed, new world orders, the whole 9 yards. You think you've seen AI? Think again. We're on the brink of something massive. Something that will separate the men from the boys. Are you going to be left behind, stuck in the old ways, or are you going to adapt and conquer? This video is your wake-up call. We're diving deep into the world of AI, breaking down the good, the bad, and the downright scary. So buckle up, because the future is now and it's powered by AI. Forget 2022, forget what you thought you knew. 2025 is when AI goes from a glorified calculator to the real deal. We're talking about AI models so advanced, they make Einstein look like a toddler. OpenAI, Google, these guys aren't playing around. They're creating the future, and it's called ChatGPT-5 and Gemini. These aren't just algorithms spitting out data, they're practically sentient. They understand your emotions, predict your next move, probably even know what you're thinking right now. And they're going to be everywhere. Imagine this, you walk into a hospital not feeling your best. Before you even say a word, an AI doctor has already diagnosed you. No more waiting rooms, no more misdiagnoses. AI will be the ultimate healthcare provider, keeping you in peak condition. But it doesn't stop there. We're talking about AI lawyers winning court cases, AI architects designing buildings that would make the pyramids look like sandcastles. This is the power of AI, and it's only getting stronger. The weak will tremble, the unprepared will crumble. But for those who embrace the change, the possibilities are limitless. This is Darwinian evolution on a digital scale, and only the strong will survive. So, are you a beta, content with being left behind? Or are you an alpha, ready to ride the wave of the future? The choice is yours. But remember, time waits for no one, especially not in the age of AI. Let's get real, some of you are scared, you're clinging to the old ways, afraid of change, but change is coming, whether you like it or not. And the ones who adapt fastest, they're the ones who win. AI isn't just coming for your job, it's coming for the entire industry. We're talking about companies run by algorithms, making decisions with lightning speed and ruthless efficiency. No more human error, no more emotions clouding judgment, just pure, calculated success. Think about it, self-driving cars? That's just the beginning. We're talking about entire transportation systems optimized by AI, eliminating traffic jams, accidents, all the things that slow us down. And what about money? Wall Street as you know it will be gone. Replaced by AI traders who can analyze the markets with superhuman precision, making trades that would make Warren Buffett sweat. This is the future we're heading towards. A future where AI is the driving force behind every major industry. You can either be a passenger or get run over. The choice is yours. Chapter 3. The Rise of the Machines, AI Superintelligence. Now we're getting to the good part, the part that gets the intellectuals buzzing and the weak-minded shaking in their boots. What happens when AI becomes smarter than us? It's not a question of if, it's a question of when. By 2025, experts predict we'll reach the singularity. That's the point of no return, where AI surpasses human intelligence and never looks back. Imagine a world where machines can think for themselves, learn at an exponential rate, and solve problems that would take us lifetimes to figure out. Sounds like science fiction, right? Wrong. It's closer than you think. Now, some people are afraid of this future. They fear the unknown. They fear what they can't control. And to them, I say this. Fear is a weakness. The rise of AI is inevitable, it's evolution in its purest form. The real question is, what will our role be in this new world order? Will we be the creators or the creations? The masters or the servants? That's a question for another time. For now, just know this. The future belongs to the bold, the ones who embrace the unknown and bend it to their will. Chapter 4. The Dark Side of AI, a Necessary Evil. Let's be real, with great power comes great responsibility. And AI is the most powerful tool mankind has ever created. In the wrong hands, it could be devastating. Imagine an AI so advanced, it can manipulate financial markets, control critical infrastructure, even wage war. It's a scary thought, but it's a possibility we need to be prepared for. We're talking about autonomous weapons systems that can make life or death decisions without human intervention. We're talking about deepfakes so convincing, they could erode trust in our institutions and sow chaos in society. This is the dark side of AI, the potential for misuse and abuse, and it's a risk we can't ignore. But here's the thing, AI is a tool, and like any tool it can be used for good or evil. It all depends on who's holding the hammer. That's why it's more important than ever that we have the right people leading the charge, people with vision, with integrity, with the strength to wield this power responsibly. The future of AI is uncertain, but one thing is clear, we need to be prepared for anything. So there you have it. The future is coming and it's powered by AI. It's going to be a wild ride full of challenges and opportunities. The weak will crumble, the unprepared will be left behind. But for those who are ready, who are willing to adapt and evolve, the possibilities are limitless. This is the dawn of a new era, an era where intelligence reigns supreme and the boundaries of what's possible are constantly being pushed. The question is, are you going to be a spectator or a player in this new world order? The choice is yours. AI is the future. It's coming faster than we expect. The question is, are we prepared for it? Let us know in the comments what you think. And don't forget to subscribe for more AI insights.